Welcome back to Dream Car Views. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss our exclusive luxury content. Many people enjoy watching our videos but forget to subscribe. So make sure you subscribe now and share this video with your friends who truly appreciate elite vehicles and unique designs. Today we proudly present an extraordinary creation on wheels, the Royal SkyMansion triple-decker luxury motorhome, a true rolling palace that redefines luxury, power, and futuristic living. From the very first glance, this motorhome commands attention with its bold and futuristic presence. The massive panoramic windshield, sharp LED lighting, and aerodynamic front design give it a strong and confident personality. The golden champagne exterior finishes, combined with sleek black glass panels, reflect pure prestige and innovation, making it stand out wherever it goes. As we move toward the backside, the luxury continues without compromise. The rear design features elegant vertical LED taillights, a wide panoramic glass wall, and a beautifully crafted rear gate. Through the glass, the luxurious seating and lounge area is clearly visible, creating a penthouse on wheels feeling. The rear terrace with glass, railings, and warm ambient lighting turns the backside into a private luxury retreat, perfect for relaxation and breathtaking views. Stepping inside, the living area feels open, bright, and incredibly refined. Panoramic floor-to-ceiling windows flood the space with natural light, while premium leather seating, designer lighting, and high-end finishes create an atmosphere of pure elegance. Every detail is thoughtfully designed to deliver comfort, style, and a sense of royal living on the move. The kitchen reflects modern luxury and intelligent design. Marble-style countertops, built-in premium appliances, and beautifully finished cabinets with soft LED accents make this space both powerful and practical. It allows you to prepare gourmet meals while traveling, proving that luxury and functionality can exist together flawlessly. The bedroom offers a peaceful escape with a king-size luxury bed, soft ambient lighting, and elegant interior textures. Large windows provide calming views, transforming every night into a five-star hotel experience. This space is designed for ultimate relaxation, privacy, and comfort, making long journeys feel effortless and indulgent. The washroom continues the same elite standard with a glass-enclosed rain shower, premium fixtures, a modern vanity, and intelligent lighting. The clean hotel-style design and high-quality materials ensure that no comfort is ever compromised inside this motorhome. Above it all, the top deck Sky Lounge stands as the crown of this masterpiece. With glass railings and open views of the surroundings, it offers a perfect space to relax, enjoy sunsets, or simply experience freedom in its most luxurious form. The Royal SkyMansion triple-decker luxury motorhome is not just a vehicle. It is a symbol of prestige, innovation, and elite mobile living. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to Dream Car Views, and press the bell icon for more breathtaking luxury content. Remember, many viewers watch but don't subscribe, so subscribe now and share this video with your friends who love dream vehicles and extraordinary designs. Thank you for watching Dream Car Views, where imagination meets luxury on wheels.